Alright everyone, now we're going to look at what happens when we've got variables on both sides of our equation. In this case, this is a kind of simpler one because we have x's on both sides. However, we still need to isolate our x onto one side of this equation in order to solve for it. So what I am going to do first is I'm going to try and keep everything positive, okay? So we want to keep our x values positive. So let's start firstly by getting rid of this 2. So in order to get rid of my negative 2, I need to add 2 to both sides. So let's go just straight on here, plus 2 to get rid of it, because that's going to leave us with 0. I'm going to add 2 over here. That'll leave me with 7x on the left-hand side equals 5x, and 8 plus 2 is going to give me positive 10. Alright, now what I need to do, see how I've got 7x on this side, and then I've got a 5x on here, and I've got a constant as well. What we need to do, let's move the 5x over to the left-hand side so all our x's can be together. So to do that, we've got a positive 5x here, so let's take 5x from both sides. Let's rewrite that, how it will look. So 7x take away 5x equals 10. Alright, now 7 take away 5 is going to give us 2. And of course we need to keep our x's in there, so 2x equals 10. Now in this case, we've got a 2 in this case attached to our x, so we need to get rid of that 2. Now hopefully you can remember when we've got a number and a letter right next to each other like that, it means that they are multiplied together. Now you told me recently that the opposite of times is divide. So what we need to do is to get rid of the 2, we need to divide each side of our equation by 2. That's going to leave us with x equals 10 divided by 2, which is going to be 5. So x is 5 in this case.